Europe has long dreamt about bigger banking institutions that could more easily compete with Wall Street.
It's not so much the size, it's the focus. I think we really need banks that take a European approach rather than a purely domestic member state kind of approach.
But a fragmented European market has been one of the biggest obstacles preventing that. However, some, one way or the other, have tried to do it regardless. UBS sealed a deal in March 2023 to take over rival Credit Suisse. Technical details aside, the deal was seen as an opportunity for UBS to catch up with Wall Street rivals. More recently, UniCredit, the Italian lender, has increased its stake in Commerzbank with the view to potentially acquire its German rival and solidify its position in Europe. UniCredit also tried to grow domestically by making an offer for Banco BPM. In Spain, BBVA is attempting to buy Banco Sabadell. All of these potential deals have faced tough political scrutiny.
Switzerland is the blueprint of all of this, but whether you look to Spain, whether you look to Italy, even if you look to Germany, but it's really political. It's not about capital market views, it's not about M&A logic only, but it's about politics.
In Switzerland, the government has imposed new tough capital restrictions on UBS, arguing concerns over its size and what it could mean for the Swiss economy. In Germany, Chancellor Friedrich Merz has also raised worries about what a UniCredit-Commerzbank merger would mean for the German economy. And in Rome, the Italian leadership imposed such strict conditions on UniCredit that the lender decided to withdraw its offer for Banco BPM.
The reality is that stronger banks within a banking union with fully functional European capital markets will bring back the savings behind the transformation of the economy. At the moment, those savings are going where? To other blocks, to the US, to China, because there is no way to invest here. So I do think Europe needs to get its act together in terms of convergence.
In Brussels, politicians talk about the need for stronger institutions. In fact, the former president of the ECB, Mario Draghi, said it in a wide-ranging report. Banks in Europe also suffer from lower profitability than their US counterparts, in large part because US banks gain higher net fee and commission income from operating in their deeper capital markets and lack scale relative to their US counterparts owing to the incomplete banking union. But the gap between what EU officials say and what the various governments across the bloc do remains. Without fixing that, not only European banks, but the entire business community in Europe could struggle to grow and support the bloc's geopolitical ambitions.
That the only true winning, effective reaction to Trump is to integrate the single market in Europe.